Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you the 5 best Spotify alternatives for Android. Let's start with YouTube Music. It gives you access to millions of songs, playlists, remixes, and even live performances. It's a great choice if you already use Google services and enjoy music videos. Next up is Deezer. This app offers high-quality audio, offline listening, and a smart flow feature that creates playlists based on your taste. Third on the list is SoundCloud. It's perfect for discovering new and independent artists, especially if you enjoy remixes and underground music. After that comes Amazon Music. If you're an Amazon Prime member, you already get ad-free music access. You can also upgrade for better sound quality and more features. Finally, there's JioSaavn. It has a clean design, free access, and a wide range of trending global tracks. And that's it. Those are the 5 best Spotify alternatives for Android. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.